Hello, welcome back to Just Smell Better, the best fragrance channel in the world. Today we are unboxing two brand new cologne fragrances that I blind bought from the TikTok shop. Usually when I do these unboxing videos, I do at least 3 to 4 fragrances to unbox, but today I only got 2. But the thing is, these two have a lot of potential to be one of the best or some of the best cologne fragrances in my collection or in the game. Why do they got so much potential? Well, because they clone some of the best smelling fragrances out there. Today we are going to unbox Afnan Supremacy in Heaven, and this one I have no idea how to pronounce it. I actually have no idea how to pronounce it or what the name is. All the letters are in Arabic or something, some Middle Eastern language. I'll put the name right here. I'm gonna do my research, but this is a clone of PDM Percival, and this is a clone of Creed Silver Mountain Water. So without further ado, man, let's start our unboxing. Let's start with my favorite PDM of all time, Percival. So like I said, I got no idea what this is called. I am pretty sure it's from Latafa. You know, the point is, it is a Middle Eastern clone from the TikTok shop. I believe it is called Kaaf, and it's supposed to be a clone of Percival, which, if you guys don't know, favorite cologne, favorite fragrance of all time. So if it clones it pretty well, it's gonna do good. And there's no style points for sure, bro. There's no style points at all. Look at this ugly cap, ugly bottle. 0 style points. I am not looking forward to adding this in my collection, in my display. First of all, where have I been, man? I missed out like 4 days of uploading. I was in a Christian retreat this weekend with my girlfriend, you know, just learning a little bit more about God. So that was kind of fun. And I've also been working a lot because I need to afford all of these new fragrances that I'm going to be blind buying. I wanted to buy all the PDMs, but I think I'm gonna hold off on that one. So I'm gonna just keep blind buying new cologne fragrances and new winter slash fall fragrances and niche fragrances, you know, so I can keep recommending new colognes to you guys. I am doing this just to find the best of the best fragrances. And yeah, that is the point of this video, to see if these clones are actually worth the money. Let's check it out. Hopefully it is worth all of my money. Okay, I smell some similarities, but I'm gonna be honest, this smells a little bit more like Abercrombie and Fitch Fierce than Percival. I get way more Fierce than Percival. Yeah, this is straight up Fierce. This is Fierce in a Latafa bottle, these Middle Eastern bottles. I don't know, to me, Percival smells just a little bit different. In my opinion, Fierce is a little bit more musky, a little bit more dirty, a little bit more like that soapy masculinity. A little bit more woods, in my opinion, a little bit more woods. And Percival just has way more ambroxan. That is why I love it so much, because if you guys don't know, ambroxan is one of my favorite notes. It just smells like compliments, you know, it just smells pretty good. It smells attractive, and I feel like Fierce lacks a little bit of that ambroxan and it replaces it with more woods. Yeah, so I definitely feel lied to by the TikTokers that were recommending this to me. I feel like even though we compare Fierce to Percival all the time, there's a few differences that I can tell. And this to me should be marketed as an Abercrombie and Fitch Fierce clone instead of like a Percival clone. You know, there's a reason why they market it as a Percival clone, because like it's gonna make you more inclined to buy it. Like if I hear that this is cloning a $250 fragrance for only $40, I'm more likely to buy it than if I find out that this is a clone of a $50 fragrance for $40. That is just a $10 discount. At that point, just buy the real thing. It smells good, don't get me wrong, it smells good. Definitely one of the better Latafa fragrances out there, or whatever brand this is. So it's 50-50, man. It's a bittersweet because it smells so good that I gotta give it a high ranking, but at the same time, it kind of let me down because I was expecting Percival for $40. So I'm gonna give it like a solid 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. I can recommend this to a lot of people. If you don't want to spend the extra $10 on Fierce, it's gonna be a huge compliment getter, but don't go buying it with the hopes of getting Percival. You're not gonna get that, man. But a solid 7 out of 10. Smells good, just marketed a little bit too falsely. Now let's unbox Afnan Supremacy in Heaven. Obviously, I got this one, which is Supremacy Collector's Edition. I think this is a clone of Creed Abensis Absolute, and I found out that Afnan in Heaven is a clone of Creed Silver Mountain Water, which I do have. So let's see if that actually is true. Let's hope, man, because I do love Creed Silver Mountain Water, but it just doesn't last, bro. It goes away in like an hour. So if this smells exactly like that with better performance, that's what I'm saying. It has potential. So let's hope and let's see. What a beautiful bottle. I actually like this bottle way better than the other one. This one's actually like clear blue, and this one's just boring gray, kind of dirty. This is beautiful, bro. It actually represents the name, which is, you know, in heaven. So I can respect that. Man, I'm excited for this one. Let's see, bro. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I get some similarities. I get a lot of similarities right off the bat, man. Citrus is popping out right away. I feel like it's some mandarin orange mixed with a citrus like a lime or a bergamot. I can never tell the difference, or a lemon, but the point is, it is citrusy, it is a little bit sour, just so fresh, man. So fresh and clean. I can definitely see why they named this Supremacy in Heaven, because not only the bottle looks like heaven, it smells like heaven. You know, the same way that Creed Silver Mountain Water smells. I can imagine like a beautiful mountain in the air, like a Mount Everest, and you almost smell the clouds. That is what this one smells like. And Afnan replicates it pretty well, man. I like it. I like it a lot, man. I like it a lot. Ooh, bad thing I got it for, it's October already. What am I talking about? It's about to be November, so I might have to wait a few months, you know, by a few months I mean like half a year, for me to wear this one during the summer. Ooh, even like this, bro, through the cap without spraying it, it smells so good. So good, bro. Man, this is the best Afnan that I've got in my collection for right now, I believe, man. Even better than like the Pacific Chill clone, which is Afnan Rare Reef, better than my 9pms. And this was the cheapest one too. I believe I got this one for around $29. I put a screenshot because I low-key forgot. Again, performance, I don't know how it's gonna perform, but I mean, for $29, even if it performs as badly as Creed Silver Mountain Water, I'm still gonna be happy with it, because I paid $175 for a tester bottle of Creed Silver Mountain Water. $29. If it has the same performance, bro, shame on Creed, and props to Afnan. Afnan Supremacy in Heaven gets like a solid 8.5 out of 10. I am truly impressed. So yeah, man, just a quick chill video because I am in a rush, but I promise I have more fragrances coming up to unbox. I bought like 3 brand new Game of Spades. I bought some more fall winter niche and designer fragrances, and I'm not gonna stop blind buying, man. This is my job and I love doing it. When I say my job, I don't mean in a monetary manner, man. I mean it is my job to waste my money and put you guys on with the best of the best fragrances. So if you want to thank me, man, follow with the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. You can sample these fragrances and more on my sampling website, smellbettersamples.com. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Just smell better.